The E-mini S&P for Wednesday, October the 28th, 2009. And at eMiniDayTrader, we always like to use these market profiles. So this is today's market profile. Each market profile has a lettered market profile and a volume market profile. So last night we had this action, which was the lettered market profile for the overnight session and its corresponding volume profile. So we had mentioned that the market was continuing in this downward auction, and that if price were to hold below the 54 area, watch out, we're going to have another leg down. I was also mentioning at the beginning of the week, actually last Friday, that if the market could hold below 72, we'd probably have about a 30-point drop. So 72 minus 30 is 42, so we've accomplished that. Now if we can hold below this 38.50, we'll probably have another 30-point drop, and the market is very strongly bearish right now, and what we're looking for is a continuation of that. So taking a look here, this is our profiles just from the day session only. So this is the profile and volume profile from today only, and we always like to use these two along with its corresponding volume to determine the strength of the auction, and if there really does exist a directional bias up or down as opposed to sideways. So the trades that we had today, we had our first short in here, which worked out nicely. Market dropped for us a couple of points on that trade. We had another short in here. It only dropped 5 ticks, so it ended up by being a break-even trade. We did get stopped out once after our selling signal came in here. We got short, and unfortunately we didn't actually get fill till here. We were stopped out on that trade. But we had two other trades later in the day, a short right in here and a short right in here, and both of them worked very nicely. The first one moved 2.5 points in our favor, and the second one moved 4 points in our favor. So we had a nicely profitable day, other than that little surge up in the market there when we had gotten short on the third trade of the day. So a little disappointing in getting stopped out on that. We felt it was a good trade. It was that there must have been some sort of buying program or some such event came in place, because as you can see, once it peaked out here off of this surge of buying as it rallied up, that was it for the day, and then of course the rest of the day was right back into the selling mode. So it was it must have been running some sort of programs or whatever, but that's kind of how it went. At any rate, it's still a nicely profitable day. And I think so far this month we've been profitable every day except for 2. So things are moving along nicely. Any comments or questions, please get a hold of us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. We'd love to hear from you. Any questions or comments are always welcome. So that's a quick look at the market. Of course, this is a shortened version of our members video, which usually lasts 15 to 20 minutes long and has many more charts. They're marked up, a lot more detail and so forth, but we can continue to give you a good idea of what we think the market is up to on these shorter videos. So thanks for taking the time to view it, and we'll see you again tomorrow.